So hi everyone. Um, Today, I'm going to create my first video on my channel on Angular learning, and I will start with the Angular.dev website, and I'm gonna go to different section of the website, and then hopefully we can learn something. To be honest, this is the first time that I start this website from the beginning. Okay, let's get started. So the video recording that I'm using only has 5 minute limit. So let's do it. So this is the new Angular website that replaced the Angular.io. I think they suggested that we should start by with this one, even though it's a beta. But I think that eventually this is the main website for Angular learning. So loved by millions. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna scroll down. Okay. Um, so the interesting part is that you can play with this like editor on the fly. So for example, this is the main of the main.ts. This is where the demo component is bootstrapped. So we have the standalone set true. So this is something that started from Angular 14. Okay, so we have um, data button here. You have the name in the demo component that you can update or edit it. Let me try something. There, and it should reflect on the input here because it has a ng model. It is a directive that by the value of the name from the input to the name in the component and vice versa. So if I put something here, then it will reflect on the UI. So this is something that pretty nice that Angular provide for us two-way data binding. So this is not something that you can do or start from the terminal. From the terminal, we need to create the Angular application from scratch. But this is something that the Angular documentation provided for easy testing or using. You can just modify the data here, and then it will reflect on the fly. I think in the other video, I'm going to show you how to create the data from scratch. But this is something that the beta docs provide us at the moment. Let me scroll down. Cool. Okay, so this is the first home page, and it shows us the simple Angular application right here, which is cool. So I guess you can go to this Angular.dev and then start playing around with this to learn about how Angular works. I think there are gonna be more things that will be mentioned in the docs page or the tutorial page. But here, my first video. Cool. See you. Bye.